Hi boys and girls, welcome back to art class. I hope that you had an awesome first week of school. For today's art project, you are going to need a piece of paper and rainbow coloring supplies. Let's get started. Oh yeah, before you watch this video, make sure that you've watched the Colors of the Rainbow video. All right, friends, the first thing that you are going to do is get your piece of paper. You are going to turn it the long way side to side. This is also called landscape. Today we're going to be drawing our very own rainbows. Do you remember what the first color of the rainbow is? That's right, it's red. Go ahead and grab your red crayon. The first thing we're going to do is put our crayon in the bottom left corner of our paper. We're going to draw a curvy line that goes all the way up to the top and curves around and comes back down to the bottom right corner. Great job! We're going to do the same thing, but just a little bit over. Awesome. Take some time to color red in between the red lines that you've drawn. Remember, when you color with a crayon, go nice and slow, back and forth, so that you can stay inside the lines. Good job, friends! That rainbow is looking awesome so far. Do you remember what color comes after red? That's right, it's orange. Grab your orange crayon or orange coloring supply. We are going to draw another curvy line right underneath our red curvy line. Start at the bottom of your paper. Go all the way up, curve around, and come back down. Now we're only going to draw one orange line, and we're going to take our orange coloring supply and color in between our orange line and our red line. Do you remember what color comes after orange? That's right, yellow. Take your yellow coloring supply. We're going to start on the left side of our paper all the way at the bottom, and we're going to draw a curvy line that goes all the way up, over, around, and down. Go ahead and use your yellow coloring supply to color in between that yellow line and the orange line. Great job, friends. Your rainbow is looking awesome so far. Do you remember what color comes after yellow? You got it. It's green. Take your green coloring supply and start on the left side of your paper all the way at the bottom. We're going to draw a curvy line that goes all the way up, around, and down. Take some time to color green in between your green line and your yellow line. Do you remember which color comes after green? Yep, it's blue. Take your blue crayon, start on the left side of your paper at the bottom. We're going to draw that curvy line that goes up and around and all the way down. Hopefully you're an expert at drawing curvy lines by now. Take your blue crayon or coloring supply and color blue in between your blue line and your green line. All right, friends, do you remember which color comes after blue in the rainbow? This color is a tricky one. Maybe you've never heard of it before. This color is called indigo. Now, if you're using crayons like me, you might have an indigo crayon in your box, but there's not an indigo color for all of the coloring supplies. So, if you have an indigo crayon, you are going to draw your line and color in that space. If you don't have an indigo crayon or don't have an indigo coloring supply, indigo is kind of like a mix between blue and purple. I'm going to show you what to do if you don't have an indigo crayon. The first thing you're going to do is take your blue crayon again. We're going to draw another blue line that goes inside our other blue line. Now with our blue crayon, we are going to color really lightly in between this blue line and our other blue line. Awesome. Now that you've got a light blue layer, you are going to take your purple crayon and color a light layer of purple right on top of that blue layer. Great job! This way, the blue and the purple mix together to make indigo. All right, friends, we are so close to being done with our rainbows. There is only one color left. Do you remember the last color in a rainbow? That's right, it's purple. Purple has another name, and that name is violet. So if you hear the word violet or purple, it means the same thing. Take your purple crayon, and we are going to draw our last curvy line that goes from the bottom of our paper all the way up and around and down. Take a second to color in the purple line between your purple and your indigo. Great job on your rainbow today, friends. One last time, let's go over the colors of the rainbow. Say it with me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Your rainbow looks so awesome, and I would love to see a picture of it. Make sure that you take a picture and upload it to Seesaw. Have a great week, friends.